Okay. Don't think hey guys, thank you for joining. I'm gonna start in a second. I'm just gonna set everything up, and I'm gonna mute you all. So that's that. Give me a second. Let's see what we have over here. Okay. Tina, you can still hear me? Okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. For some reason I cannot hear mouse. Oh, that's why. That's why. I just double check over here for a second. Okay. That's why. That's why. Okay. So I'm gonna set everything up in mind over here. What I'm gonna do today, do we have more people joining over there as well? That's good. If you join us, just make sure to mute yourself. Mute yourself, please, so we're not gonna hear the background noises. Okay. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to go over some features at KW Command. Okay. KW Command, as you know, KW Command, if you know, that's the new platform that KW is building. Still in the building mode. Step by step, they're getting closer. I think people mentioned to me like, hey, when it's gonna be ready, done, over, whatever. We have to be patient because I think what happened to them, actually myself went to the same process when I built some of my systems over here in Calabasas, soon in Long Beach, is you start something and then you realize, wait, I can do a half job, or I can do make sure it's like really perfect, right? So then I won't have to go back and dig for find those little loopholes or loose ends or whatever. Since then, the last few months over here, both of us, well, here Calabasas mostly, we launched the top marketing platform, which is building, still running at the back end. Building all those 25 online platforms, and we launched the KW Concierge and KW Postal Concierge programs. But really solid programs. They're not hey, call this person is gonna. It's 100% high level quality systems. So I think what happens with KW Command, they're doing something, and then they're like, should we just do it just to please the people and give them something to say oh, we have it, or we're really going to build something that they can use to the fullest. So I think that's what's happening, and it's very complex. It's a big thing to build such a platform. So I think it's kind of cool, and I'm starting to understand and appreciate what they're doing for us. Okay, so. Let's see. So let me just open this tab, and I'm gonna share my screen over here with you, like that. Tina, tell me, do you see my screen? Okay, cool. So, and by the way, whoever's watching us, you have on the top right, I think a chat box. You can write comments and questions, and once in a while I'm going to take a look at it. So let me log into our platform using the same access as you use for MyKW. Just the URL is different. It's agent.kw.com, agent.kw.com, and I'm going to log in with my credentials as I'm logging into MyKW, the same thing, right? I just have to remember what it is.
Agent.mykw.com.
That's correct. Okay. Now, what you see, as you can see over here, you see my my screen over here. You see my screen with all the dashboard over here. Okay? Now, at the top over here is what's already active and working. At the bottom, it used to be the opposite. Like at the bottom was full of stuff, and the top was only a few things. At the bottom is what's coming soon. As you can see, they're still working on some things over here. So I'm not going to touch it right now. Not interesting at this point. Okay? Even though at the top, not everything is still 100% working yet. All right? But that's why I'm doing the sessions, because I want to know what's going on. I want you guys to know what's going on. Let me just make sure for a second that I'm recording this. Oh yes, I am. Perfect, because I want to make sure that people can watch it afterwards. And sorry, there was one question over here in the chat. Oh, Elaine, good morning to you as well. All right, thank you. So let's go back to the presentation. All right, so if I'm looking over here, just a quick overview, what do we have? You can click on all those icons, or you can go from the sidebar, whatever works for you. Contacts, it's where you upload all your database. Okay, as a quick in and out, click on it, and then if you want to import your contacts, you simply click on import over here. The difference is that can you just move contacts automatically from one platform to another? You cannot. You have to do the whole back-end, exhausting, import process. It's not complicated, right? But we can, once again, if you have the database, we can help you out how to do that. So basically,
the command is going to be different.
Yes, it is.
The command is going to be different. Like from, I guess my KW already has your e-edge.
Let me show you. Yeah. Okay. Great question. So here, as you can see, open like import, and then you just over here, just click and you import the file from whatever different platform. Okay. Now you can either just go like that and right away import everything, and then rearrange all the fields and the tags and whatever. Or what it can do is click over here. So this button, this download button. So if you're going to click on download, what's going to happen? It's going to open. This template over here. Okay, I'm not going to open it right now, but it's going to open this template, which is the KW command template for syncing database. It's an Excel sheet. So you simply need to copy paste, build that database, which you have to do anyways. It's going to be, I think, more organized, because then it's going to put everything in the right fields in command without you having to go one by one to fix them. Unless you have a really massive database, so whatever works. I do recommend just, once again, it's Excel sheet, and you just copy paste, from your Yahoo, from your Gmail, from your random open house sheets, from your eEdge or other CRM system that you have into that sheet. Save it as a CSV file, and then it's gonna feed into command. Okay. And just an example over here to see, when you have a client. So this is what you see. You see, his information, address, email, phone number, if you have whatever, what I did for him. I'm not going to touch it right now. You can build for every specific person based on where they live, or what the story is, a neighborhood, okay, like a smart plan. And what's happening, they're going to get feeds automatically for them with information about the specific area. So if you look at Effie, this guy over here, you see that when I send him information, he opened and viewed my email over here. So I can track also what the guy did. Question.
So on eEdge, I realized that you have a max of 5,000 contacts. I have a list with my KW is there.
So the question was, is there a limit to how many database I can use in the KW command? Great question. I have no idea. I think maybe when you click on this notification, sorry, on the question mark over here, maybe is, let me see. By the way, over here, look at the questions over here. Look, for your question, one of the topics is import your eEdge contacts into command. Okay, so you can get more information just by clicking on the database over here. So let me just search for a second. Limit of contacts. Okay? Or limit of number.
That's the little dog thing that you put them?
No, that's a question mark. Okay? So, or number of contacts. I don't know. Like, if it doesn't say, so nobody really inquired about that, but, you see at the top, this question mark, that's where you can just find already data, they go over there. And at the bottom right, where the little dog is, you have a chat box. Say chat box 3 times. Okay, and over here, it says Ask Kelly. Okay, so you can do that, or you can, I think, let me see if you can click on this one. No. Maybe my team. I'm not sure actually over here. I mean, maybe Ask Kelly. You can ask over here. And do that on the computer. Oh, okay. You see, like if you can ask Kelly, which is actually the command backend, they're going to answer you, give you the answers basically. Okay, so you can ask over there. Okay, let's go back to the main page, the dashboard. So you have contacts, opportunities. That's something that you won't see it over here because I have 0 feet of listings. I don't actively sell. But if you have something right now, it's going to show you how many under contract, leases, listings, and so on and so forth. And this is an incredible tool that you can break down your projection of the GCI, earned, whatever, A to Z. So let's say for Julie's team, you can already with her see what's going on, right? And that's also based on what you fit into the system to the office because everything is synced together. Okay, it's pretty powerful. From here, you can create a lot of like reports and things like that. Be pretty much like a tracker of what your goals are versus what you're actually doing right now. Back to the main.
What do you mean by like it's connected to the office already?
We track what you list, what you sell.
So all the sales will appear.
Correct. Everything's gonna appear. This is also connected to the transaction point. Okay, so all the transaction management, it's all linked together. That's when we changed the systems a few months back. Okay, so that loop. Yeah. Okay, you know better than me. Groups. This is also a cool feature that, at one point you're gonna, I'm gonna push that because over here, first of all, what you can see is there are like different type of groups over here that, maybe like, let's say our office Calabasas or coastal or luxury or buyers, and you can create your own group as well in the KW community. Don't forget there are 170 plus thousand agents. You can reach out to create those, mini groups. It's like a mini Facebook, bubble type of thing. Because those private groups you can create or open groups and whatever it is. So that's pretty powerful as well. And let me just double check if someone has any questions. Not yet. And then. Back to my dashboard, if it's going to go. It doesn't go to my dashboard. See, so for example, that's a bug, for example, if you have the same problem. So like, I would just look right on the chat, and you see the support over here? The support over here? Like, you can, it's lagging over here, post an idea or whatever. Here I would write, hey, we're trying to go back from groups to main panel. It's stuck on whatever. Give them feedback because once again, this is like a massive backend platform with whatever they do. I don't know how to go back to that. Basically, let me just try to. Hold on for a second. Yes, so okay, fine. Okay. Lead accelerator over here. That's basically you can create campaigns through Facebook or whatever in a very easy way. So you see like social ads, social post, whatever, direct mail, email. So if I'm doing like a
what tab was that?
What?
That you went into?
Lead accelerator.
Lead.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, accelerator over here. So when I create a new one, let's say I'm doing like an ad. Basically, you're supposed to connect your stuff before, right? To the settings. I'll show you how in a second. But you see, I can do like ad on Twitter or Instagram or Facebook. Now, one thing that you need to understand is KW did a special deal with Facebook. So the cost per lead is cheaper for us compared to the consumer. So if you're gonna run an ad or boost something at the same time, and you can try it out because that's what they did. From here, compared to just your profile directly, it's gonna be cheaper to do it through this app over here, this platform. You follow me?
Yeah.
Questions about that?
How do you?
So over here, so let me stop for a second, and I'm gonna go back. You see the top right, my name? So if I go to settings, all those platforms over here, as you can see, if it's not connected, it's gonna say, connect. Sorry, it's gonna say connect account. If it's not connected. If it's connected, it's gonna say, you already connected, so disconnect if I want to, or over here I have like connect more or manage, maybe because I have more pages or what have you. Okay? So I'm already connected over here. So technically, back to my point, the lead accelerator. Let's see if I have any questions over here.
So that means that you would have to have a flyer ready to import it to Facebook.
Great question. The question was, you have to have something beforehand. Correct, but I'm going to get into that as well. Okay, because I'm going to show you today something super impressive that they did. Okay, so back to this concept, and I'm going to right now do the whole tutorial of like how you post the whole thing. I just want to give you those little bites of like you go and explore and play with that. You can't do anything wrong. Social ad. So let's say I'm doing like over here. My campaign is whatever test, or let's say 123 Main Street. Facebook ad. Over here. For also, so from June 29th, which is that's actually one of the from today. From there to we go. Okay, so I guess you have to do like day after. I don't know. Once again, it's how they do it currently, and until Monday, whatever, 2 days. Okay, let's do 5 days. Budget $5 per day, or sorry, total budget 25. Yeah, that's fine. $5 per day. I'm okay with that. Okay, and then marketing campaign tool. Attract listing, advertise listing, attract talent, brand awareness, event awareness, whatever. Event awareness, host an open house. Attract listing is just sold, just listed, whatever. Advertise listing to promote what you have. I'm not sure what the difference is actually. Attract talent, maybe you're looking to hire an assistant, maybe, whatever you want to, build your profit share, you want to attract other agents to join your team or the office or whatever. Other reasons. The cool thing over here that it did brilliantly is that at the back end, they already built the algorithm as doing in Facebook of like what kind of targeting to do without you need to target too much. So configure campaign. Over here, back to your question is like that's where you add the picture over here, images and the text and the whole thing from A to Z. You see over here, you still give you the option to manipulate the changes over here, like age, whatever. I said don't touch those things right now because as you know, Facebook is already changed and will implement completely. You cannot do by gender, age, whatever. So this gives you like a little bit of an edge of pre-made, algorithm of how already to do that. And then you can save and activate or save as a draft once you finish. I'm going to go back to your question in a few minutes, okay? Back to the accelerator, you can also do if I create new, social post, okay? So here, you just can post on your Facebook, okay? And, for example, let's write over here, new listing, whatever, okay? And then I'm going to put like a picture over here. You have either the desktop, so I can go to my desktop and upload the picture, or I can go to the content library. I guess I have nothing in my library currently, but if you build something, you have that. Desktop, let's go over here, open something. I don't know what we have over here. Pictures. Let's put whatever. Let's say it's a picture of a property, whatever. Or you can post anything that you wish pretty much from here, right? And as you can see over here, this is that's Facebook. This one goes to a Facebook page. So I can post on my Calabasas page over here, and Twitter I can post on the Calabasas Twitter. That's what I chose. I can add multiple pages if you want to. And this is the preview, okay? And actions. I can do add post to queue or posting. So I can schedule those posts as well. Yes?
So you can schedule your whole week out posting.
Correct. Now someone's going to ask me, okay, Meny, but what's, you have different things you can use. For example, I use, as an office, Hootsuite. Write it down, Hootsuite. How do you spell that? Hoot, S-U-I-T-E. I-E, I think, Suite. Okay, Hootsuite. Check it out. Amazing tool, but which I like because it shows you like the calendar and the post, but it's not a free service. This one is. That's what KW are doing. They're building everything in the back end, so you guys won't have to spend any more, dime on those platforms. It's one stop
Is
shop.
Hootsuite kind of like the constant contact?
No. Hootsuite, well, to a certain extent, but it's a way better tool. It's visually and everything. Hootsuite, you can e-blast, you can add all those social media platforms, and you can schedule blasts, at the same time to all the social media posts or whatever. Check it out. There might be like a free trial or maybe a free version. I don't remember. Yeah. In our level, we paid for it, but this one is the same concept, okay? And I'm telling you, what KW are doing, they're not reinventing because it's already there. They're taking improving the tools that to give you guys without additional cost. So I do think eventually this one is going to be visually like the best platforms out there. But once again, play with that, put it into work, and post something because you can go and then delete it right away. Have fun with that. Learn how to use those tools. Questions on the other side? No? Perfect. Okay.
I have a question.
Yeah, what's the question?
How do you exactly add a campaign? Because I was
Campaign for what?
like you can add a campaign for content.
I'll get into that in a second, yeah. Okay, I'm going to finish through the whole manual so you're going to see what we're doing, even though I don't think that's open yet. So next is local insight. Super powerful tool. No other company in the world has that. If they have something similar, it's not as visually appealing, and it's usually using like a third-party vendor, so you have spam of whatever other information that is not relevant for you. So this one basically is you can build your own Yelp environment. Okay, I'm saying Yelp because it's the most closest thing that I can think of. What does that mean? It means that, and I'll show like my insights. Okay, my personal that I'm building. So at the top over here, if I click on my insights, you're going to see only mine. And I can zoom out for a second. I'm going to search this area. And you see how much I'm building so far? I'm going to zoom out for even more. Search this area. So you see, I'm building my database at the back end. All right? Why am I doing this? Because eventually, that's going to link to community pages that you can build custom for your clients. And when they're going to get those drips from you, like once a week or a month, whatever you decide to do, it's also going to share, hey, by the way, in this area, let's go to whatever, let's go to this area, Sino, okay? So here, you got those restaurants. I'm going to focus on restaurants to begin with, and then I'm going to go to different businesses.
But you created those?
I did.
Those are yours?
I did.
Okay.
100%. Okay, and I do it a bit differently than others because others just go and they look. If right now do not my insights, like whoever were insights, you see how more are added. Mine has pictures. Mine has information. Well, some others also have some pictures, but I'm very systematic how I'm doing it. Okay? Because I want people to get information and what have you. And once again, that's going to be shown with my clients eventually. All right? Or let's say there's an agent from North Carolina, and they want to refer something to you guys out here. And they're going to look that maybe potentially because for whatever reason. So put it to work. I've already pitched that a few times in the past, but once again, I know that's a lot, but it's another feature that you can use it. Yeah.
When we're looking for other agents, like to refer, like let's just say.
I'll get into that.
Okay.
I'll
But
get into
they're looking at a page where?
I'll get into that in a second because I'm doing a quick overview of the whole stuff.
Okay.
Good question.
I don't really get what do you do with insight? Just kind of think on.
So this is okay. Do you use Yelp?
Yeah, of course.
Why?
Because I read the reviews of the restaurant or reviews or see how many stars they have.
Okay. What if I would tell you that there's no Yelp yet? And I'm going to tell you, hey, there's this cool thing. It's called Yelp, whatever. I don't know what it is. And if you're going to put your information over there as an agent, you're going to be the first agent in the world to put it over there, and you might get business from it. And let's say it was, I don't know, Yelp is how old? Like 10 years? Whatever, let's say 10 years. Let's say it was 10 years ago. Would you do it, knowing what you know today about Yelp?
Yeah, of course.
So that's what it is, within KW. But that's going to, once again, that's going to translate eventually to also your mobile search app. Because right now there's kind of like, a lame-ish. It's very smart, but it's the visual and the features are not as developed. The KW search app. If you don't have one, ask me. I'll make sure you're going to get your own code. 2 seconds. And the clients can download the app with your own branding, and they can search whatever they want to search. And ask for open houses, something like other apps, like Redfin, Zillow, whatever. This one is going to be linked to it eventually, the smarter version of it. So they can search for insights. Some things might just pop up. As let's say right now they're driving and they're like in West Hills, the corner of whatever, Schuppen, whatever, and looking for open houses. And they're like, by the way, on the site, local insights. They're like, oh, let's go to this breakfast. Let's see, and they click and they see your reviews or whatever you wrote down. And it's like, it's you. It's like you're once again building your own Yelp environment. Make sense?
Yeah.
So back to my point is like, Meny, that's frustrating, or in my head I'm saying, I wish they already, would do this or that or whatever. It will happen eventually. You can't turn the wheel back anyway. I mean, it's a done deal. Gary Keller already spent tens of millions, okay, on what we're building, and it's huge. So he's going to build the best platform out there. If it's going to, things launching step by step. So what I'm saying is, right now you have the opportunity to build your own mini space within this big space. Don't wait for whatever. You follow me?
But I thought it was an internal. So you mean it's like that?
It's going to be both internal, but also it's going to link eventually to what you're going to share with your clients, like a drip campaign, and on the search app. Your client's going to see that.
Okay.
It's huge.
Yeah.
So I'm saying don't wait for it already to be behind you. Build that because that's what's going to translate to what you're going to show in the future. Let me just move on because I want to show the stuff as well.
Well, is that why we're getting rid of the KW app?
Well, eventually it will. It's not going to go away. It's going to be a better app. Okay, but that's going to talk to the app. Everything's going to be linked together. Everything.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Okay, referrals, Lulu.
Mm-hmm.
So if you click on referrals over here, that takes you to the back end. So you see, you don't have to log into MyKW like I showed you in the past and everything. It's all here. And here you can see, like my referral, I have close to 1,000 people. And here I have 166 pending invites. So I have 158, that I sent out to people that just probably not using that, not paying attention to whatever, or still waiting. and on the left is what people asking me. So I'm going to separate now all those great people that ask me to add into the network. So I'm going to grow my network, and likewise on the other side, Joel. Okay, so I have that, and I grew my network. So let's say that I want to see, okay, I want to refer something out there, right? Or I'm looking, or hey, you know what? I'm about to fly somewhere, or I have a client who's looking for something. What's the best restaurant in Michigan? I have no idea. In Miami, or Southeast Brooklyn. I don't know. So I'm going to click on map for a second over here. You see, this is something new. You can now filter the map by market center. Okay, cool. I know that. That's not new, actually. Okay, so over here, it's going to tell me filter over here by whatever feature. So I want to see, just put my, either like market centers. So I'm going to see the entire offices in the US and Canada. You see that? Or, actually, sorry. Oh, look, this is something new. I didn't see that last week. They also added that. Look, they added Mexico. They added, I think. Let me see. I think they added the entire world. Yes, they did. Wow. Okay, that's impressive. Okay, guys, this is brand new. Was just added from last week. You can see right now the network in the entire world. That's okay. So let's say I want to refer to someone in Israel. Okay, which I did a few times in the past. I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to click on Tel Aviv. That's where the headquarters are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, you know what? Let me go to. I want to check something out because this also new to me. So I used to. Let me see. Where is that? Okay, I used to work in this area of Israel. It's called Beersheba. It's in the desert. And here, there are 39 agents in this market center. I have a few friends actually over there. I referred someone to KW in Israel. His name is Yohi. Let me see if he's here. Can I search?
Maybe you can go up. Search. Oh.
I don't know if I can search by name or whatever, but anyway, like you see, like I can find a specific person there if I want to, right? I just have a friend over there. It's gonna be like fun to say hi to him from here, send like a message or whatever. But let me see. Oh, no, it's Yossi, not Yogi. Never mind. Anyways, I don't think I see him anyway. But let's say I wanna. You see, I can email the person directly. Or I can, let's say this guy, whatever, I can add this person to my network, send invitation, ask him, hey, I'm going to add you to my invitation. Or if you're going to click on the person, once again, you can send a referral right away. Or once again, like email. Now, I went like internationally. Let me go back to the US because it's a bit easier to show you like more advantages. This is incredible, guys. Like this is mind blowing. I'm actually to promote that to the rest of the group as well. So let's say over here, whatever, Wisconsin, and there's this market center, and let's say you see, Jared, I can call the person directly. Okay, if I click on the phone number over here. It doesn't do the feature. You used to have the feature you can call or text the person, or you see I can add the person to my network. This one is to send a referral right away, so you can manipulate that. Okay, but let's say grow your network, or I can do instead of market centers only my network. Okay, wherever I have in my network all over the world. I guess give it a second over here. You see, it's going to show the map. I'll zoom out. The map of my people that are on my network all over the world, right? So I have some in Canada. I have most of the United States. Yeah.
So the list on the right side, is there like change that list, or it's just in that order, or is it in like most of like?
So it can have the sort on the. You see the over here. It says sort. random, or you can do by name, closed units, byte size, leases, or whatever. If you're looking for someone like in New York right now, okay, let's go to here. My people in it's kind of slow. Give it a second.
Julie actually
Here,
lives in New York.
go in New York for a second. Okay, New York. This is takes a second, but it's supposed to show the site like only that specific area. Doesn't really do it right now, but from here I can, once again do it by amount of whatever. If I do it by market centers, you see same thing over here. Let's say I'm over here. This market center, Bronx. I'm not sure. You see that there's a feature over here that you can do it by the same thing. I don't see it right now. Okay, so maybe they're doing something. So that's how you do grow your referral network. Let's go back to settings. The settings. I'm going to go back to Sketchhouse. Smart plans, not active yet. Those are the drip campaigns. It's coming soon. That's going to be incredible. That's why I'm encouraging you to put your database already, so you're going to have it ready. Then you just have to attach drip campaigns. Listings, you're going to see all the listings over here. You can manage them through this part over here. Landing pages, that's kind of linked to, I already showed it in the past, it's linked to the part of where you can create like listing to leads. You can create like capture pages with your information or random information. You can run an ad through that and then capture leads. But I think listing to leads is more powerful because listing to leads that you get from us has also the text feature and tons of different things as well.
We can connect the listing to leads with this, like run that campaign in here.
As a Facebook, yes, if you have the image and whatever, for sure. Yeah, but that's like a similar thing that you can create, like listing to leads technically, landing pages. But it doesn't have the abilities that L2L has yet. Okay.
Can you go over listing to leads?
Many times. Here.
Oh, you have classes on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Reports, running reports. 1 second, and then email campaigns. Same thing. It's not active yet, but it's going to be linked to the smart plans or whatever. Question?
Are they going to be adding more channels?
What channels?
Like the adding from on the
what?
send.
You mean like different social media sources?
Yeah.
Yeah, but if you look at the bottom, there's quite a few. Like, what if it's in, for example? Okay, so stop for a second. Contextually and concept, those are CRM systems. So nothing to do with KW command. Instagram, you have Instagram, you have Twitter, you have those features over there. The other CRMs is, I'm not sure yet because it's a good question. Because this one came to replace those systems. That's the idea, so we won't have to pay for it, right? So let me jump to the Sketchhouse. Let's just see if they have any questions over there, whoever's watching. Nothing yet. I'll go back to the Sketchhouse. That's the best part, technically. So the Sketchhouse is basically you won't have to stress out too much about, I want to create this template, that template, whatever, or the Michael Lewis designs or whatever it is. No more. Okay, you have full control, and the cool thing is that number one, KW is going to drop a lot of content over here, and people from all over the world, if they're creating something, they can share it if they want to. So how does it look like? Look at the top over here. You got the different templates of email, landing pages, social media, or print. I'm going to focus for a second on the social, because let's say when I post something on social media, right? Click on social. Okay, and then it says create one now. Click on that, and then ask you. So once again, I think this is like a bug. It's asking you what kind of template you want. I already chose one. So social and create template. Now here, there is. Oh, it threw me out for some reason. Hold on. It doesn't supposed to throw you out.
wonder if it has an automatic timeout.
No, because I was working on it, but I'm not sure. Once again, they're working on the platforms like all the time. So if they usually do the updates and everything overnight or weekends, but it can be like, I don't know, different things. I'm not sure. Sometimes, by the way, guys, you're going to experience that you're going to work on something and it's going to kick you out and you cannot log in. Cannot log in right away. Give it a few seconds.
Save it.
I hope so. Don't hold me accountable for that. Okay, so here I click on the button create, so you're gonna get this page.
You're doing a social one?
I did the social, yeah.
Okay.
So look over here, and this is once again that's what they like. They're not fast to throw things, so people are not get frustrated. They already build something. Now I'm not sure if you understand what you're looking at, but guys, this is incredible.
That's amazing.
This is mind blowing. Okay. Look on the left. It shows you templates. So what you see over here is for sale. Now I'm going to click over here. Open houses templates. Just visit templates. Price update. Just sold. Home value. Client love. I love. Whatever.
You post
Let's
them
go.
so we
Hold
can
on.
see them?
Let's go back to the for sale. Let me just run through that and ask me questions after that. For the for sale, look at the top. This one is for Facebook. You see the top over here? Now it means that the dimensions are modified for the Facebook size. Now, but I want to post on Instagram. Okay, let's go to Instagram size. It'll be a different size. But hey, I want to have something for Instagram stories because it's also different size. There you have it. But I want to do on Twitter. Different size. I want to do a LinkedIn, different size. This is brilliant. It's going to save you the time to trim and cut and minimize, maximize, whatever the quality. This is just, it's unbelievable. And it's the same template for all of them, but based on the whatever post. So let's say I want to post to Facebook, because Mexico is not connected. Okay? Facebook. So then I'm going to go and I'll do, this is like a nice plain design. Use template over here. Okay, so as you can see, this is the whole design. I mean, once again, beautiful, gorgeous. You probably have, you can use this picture because it's been provided to you, so you don't have to worry about that. Over here, so we are, so I guess over here it's a whole picture. Let me see if I can manipulate this text. So this is not the text. You see, you will have to change. This is like an image over here, I guess. It doesn't let me to edit the picture, so this is not an image, the text. This is an image. So you will have to change that to our logo naturally. Let's do the logos over here. Okay, so you will have to add to the you have to add to the library your logos and whatever it is. But from here, let's say I'm going to change. I can use this one instead of that one. Whatever you can use whatever you want. But my point is that as a text over here, I can change, this text at the bottom. Just sold, whatever. You can add your picture. You can do whatever you want. And then when I'm done, you just get rid of this one for a second and then put, can I get rid of this one? How do you do that? Look, delete, remove the top right, remove it. Then I'm going to put this one over here, make it a bit smaller maybe. Actually, it looks nicer on the black on the thing, like it's like a picture frame over here. And then the disclaimer, I'm going to just put underneath maybe, like that. Something happened to my image over here. Let's see what happened. Yeah, I'm listening.
For that logo, can we email you so that you can send it to us? So we can add it to Julie's stuff?
Which one?
That one?
This image?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever you need, you can ask me, and I'm gonna be more than happy to share with you whatever you want for sure. Okay, so just once again, you can change everything that you want. Color over here, I guess this is the color. That's the black over here. apply to the text, center this one, piece, whatever. Okay, and let's say, okay, this is cool. I'm happy with that. I'm done. You haven't saved changes. Do you want to save the design before? Yes, I thought I did save it. I guess it was a different spot. So I'm going, actually, sorry, top left, you press save, not top right. And then you see my design is over here. So this also, guys, it's also new to me as well, and they keep changing that. So I thought from here it's going to take me to the post part. So I'm not sure why it didn't take me to that third part. Sorry, here. See the top over here? Sorry, when you finish the auto-modify stuff, on the left you press save. And on the top right, then I can do over here, share. So here I can do, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and that's specific, and you have the link as well. I can, copy and I guess maybe share this link somehow. I don't know what it's gonna do, but let me just try it out for a second. Here it is, it's like an image. So it's already saved. It means that you can upload this picture to different sources as a link URL. You follow me? Sometimes they ask you add the image. Instead of like down to the computer, you can add a link. That's what it is. Okay? So you have also a link, which I think is very, very smart. Okay? So from here, let's say share. I'm going to click on Facebook because that's a Facebook image. So, once again, quick stop. That's, for me, it's a bug. Okay? That's probably going to work. This is brand new. That's why I want to share today. It's a bug because I already chose at the beginning a Facebook template. So I think after I'm going to edit it, what's going to happen eventually, I don't have to do press share. It's going to ask me which one do you want to share because I already did Facebook. So from here, it's going to press share to Facebook. It's going to open automatically. Okay? Now my Facebook is not open on this computer, but basically it's just going to open my Facebook as a post. I'm going to write whatever I want to write, and it's going to share it. End of story. Okay? Question.
So eventually, when all done, eventually you'll be able to share this with your client, show them, like for instance, like will you be able to show them what listings, appointments you're going on, stuff like that? Does that make sense?
If you go, so you jump in completely for the different topic, yeah.
No.
So we're gonna zoom out from the designs to once again that's the back to the this is back to where you see all the listing that you have. Correct. You can track a listing, appointments, everything. It's like a business plan. You can show whatever you want to show all day long.
It don't have to be your listing.
Well, that feeds only your listing technically. Okay, but you can add listings manually as well if you want to. Yes, correct. Okay. The question was not regarding the design. So back to the design templates over here. As you can see, once again, you have. Let's just close this one for a second. And again, I'm inside Sketch House. If you missed that part, I'm into Sketch House. So another piece is. Print. Oh, sorry. I know what those are. Those are just the templates. Okay, it's not duplication. Those are the templates. So if you want to see only like social templates, this is what I just created. If you want to see only print templates, I have nothing. I didn't create anything yet. Okay, so from any of those, you can just do, you see the, let me see, you see the plus sign at the bottom right, plus sign. Then I click on this one, and then I create, let's say right now I want to create some print material. Create, and then create template. And then I want to create a postcard. I want to create a trifold brochure, or a door hanger, or a letter, which is also a flyer. They're going to have more things in the future, okay? So let's say this is cool. I want to see like open house, a US letter, which is once again, it's like a flyer, okay? Use template. And I want to, I'm Julie Newman, and it's like Friday night, and I want right now to log into Michael Lewis and do it right now. And This is way, way better, faster, more creative, more sophisticated. And once again, you don't have a lot yet, but you're gonna have gazillion different templates to use from. And you can just do it right away. Okay? So you invited, whatever, picture, and you can, change picture over here, from here to here, text, everything from A to Z. Okay? Download. So I can download this piece over here. Let me see if it's doing download. Top right, download. Let me see what it does. You see, this is amazing. You can download as a JPEG, high resolution, or as a PNG. By the way, I always recommend to download as a PNG. If it's only a picture you write just listed picture, download JPEG. If it's a picture with a lot of information on it, like you want to create like a flyer, whatever, it has a lot of like also text with picture, do PNG, it's high quality, and PDF. So I'm going to do a download of this PDF because I want to print it and drop it. Okay? And it's down, look at the top, at the bottom left, it's down the PDF, and I'm going to open it. And let me go back for a second to my platform, because if you watch me, you cannot see it right now. Maybe you can. Let me see. Actually, yeah, it just opened on the browser, sorry. And this is the PDF. And I can, print it right away. Okay? Print it. From here, I don't have the printer connected, I guess. But there you have it. The easiest, as easy as that. Questions? Let me see if you guys have questions over there. Helene, can we upload templates? Great question. I was just about to talk about that. So it's got to be a yes. I didn't tell that yet. So let me see. Aline was asking, can I upload my own templates? Right? So I think that if I go to my library over here, I'll do a quick search for a second. I don't know, the great question. I'm definitely going to get back to this portion. I want to educate you more about it to your benefit. So if choose a template, I don't see any option to upload your own templates over here, but there's got to be one over here. Anyway, I'll have to do some more research for your question. That's a great question, but the answer is for sure there is a way to do it.
What about the asking area?
So again?
You showed earlier an area where we can type a question and somebody gets back to you.
Here, support. Bottom right. You can ask questions. Okay? But in any case, there's got to be a way to do your own stuff, because I know that at the beginning, at the Sketch House, there was an area that they, if I go to the main one, Sketch House once again, they changed the look of it, but there's got to be a way, okay? If not right now, in the future, for sure. Questions, comments, concerns, complaints, actually, it's a different office. That's Long Beach office. Hey, guys. So, let me see. Guys, any other questions? Okay. Are you guys good?
Yeah.
All right. So once again, log in, play with that. It's incredible. Okay. And whatever you have right now is clean, sophisticated. What I'm going to do as a follow-up, I'm going to two things, three things. Number one is I'm going to send a follow-up email with just like attachment and like, hey guys, logos, whatever. If you took the time to show, be at my class today, use those images. I'm going to show some cool logos like the animated luxury and the Calabasas, the Long Beach, each office, what have you, and then a few others. And then number two is expect an email from me today, separate for Long Beach and separate for Calabasas, that I'm going to send you an email, is I'm going to send it to a client about the KW concierge service. And it's going to say whatever, like, dear, and then like seller, blah, 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 all the information. Okay, so you can copy paste that content and then use that as a template. So for now, so you send to your people about the concierge. All right, we already have a couple of agents in Long Beach that's utilizing that. We have a few already over here. One is already in project. $30,000 worth of staging already in the works. Okay, paying in advance to the seller. They put a one dime out of their pocket, and there are a few projects coming up soon. Use it as a game changer. Any level, doesn't matter what you're going to utilize it for. All right, and the last thing is Calabasas. Tomorrow we have our family picnic. The Calabasas, the Anza Park. Gonna be fun. So 11 to 1. So be there if you can. Long Beach, we have something coming up soon. Guys, thank you. Last chat. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Calabasas, we have a caravan. Join me and have a good weekend. Bye, everybody. Bye.